Ozempic, along with other similar medications in its class, have rapidly become household names across the globe. We're seeing them discussed everywhere from social media to primetime television. Initially, these drugs were developed and prescribed primarily for the treatment of type 2 diabetes. Then, quite quickly, they gained widespread recognition and use for their remarkable effects on weight loss. But now, researchers are diligently working and uncovering what appears to be a surprising new benefit associated with these medications. It's a benefit that could potentially be a significant game changer, particularly for men's health and well-being. A recent and compelling study has revealed that men who are using these medications for various health reasons experience a statistically significant and clinically relevant increase in their testosterone levels. This is quite an interesting finding. For men who are already struggling with the challenges of low testosterone, a condition that is often associated with obesity, type 2 diabetes, and the natural aging process, this increase in testosterone could translate to a noticeable boost in energy levels, making daily activities feel less strenuous. It could also lead to a significant improvement in mood, helping to alleviate feelings of fatigue, irritability, and even symptoms of mild depression. Ultimately, this could contribute to a substantial improvement in their overall health, vitality, and quality of life. The very idea that a single medication, primarily designed for diabetes and weight management, could potentially address both metabolic and hormonal imbalances simultaneously is indeed quite exciting and warrants further investigation. In this video, we're going to delve deep into the underlying science behind this intriguing discovery. We'll meticulously break down the details of the study itself, examining its methodology, findings, and limitations. We'll also discuss the potential implications of these findings for men's health, exploring how this new understanding could reshape treatment approaches. Furthermore, we'll address some of the key questions that still remain unanswered, highlighting areas where further research is needed. Ultimately, we'll consider why this unexpected discovery has the potential to redefine our understanding of the multifaceted benefits offered by these increasingly popular drugs. So, please join me as we embark on this journey to explore this fascinating and unexpected new chapter in the ongoing Ozempic story. Before we dive into the intricate relationship between GLP-1 agonists and testosterone, it's crucial to establish a solid understanding of what these medications are and how they function within the body. This foundational knowledge will allow us to better appreciate the potential impact they can have on various aspects of health, particularly in men. So let's quickly cover what these medications are, their primary purpose, and how they've evolved in their application over time. Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro are GLP-1 receptor agonists, drugs that mimic a natural hormone called GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1. This hormone plays a vital role in regulating several key bodily functions. GLP-1 helps control appetite and blood sugar levels, acting as a natural regulator to maintain metabolic balance. It achieves this by signaling feelings of fullness to the brain, effectively curbing appetite, and by slowing down the rate at which the stomach empties its contents. This slower emptying process contributes to prolonged satiety and reduced food intake. These drugs amplify that signal, enhancing the effects of the naturally occurring GLP-1 hormone. This amplification helps people eat less and lose weight without feeling deprived or experiencing the intense cravings often associated with traditional diets. The result is a more sustainable and manageable approach to weight management. Originally developed for the treatment of type 2 diabetes, their significant weight loss effects led to broader use in obesity management and ultimately, new approvals specifically for weight loss. It's important to note that these medications are not stimulants or old-school diet pills that rely on artificial energy boosts and potentially harmful side effects. Instead, they work by restoring balance to the body's natural appetite and metabolic regulation systems, addressing the underlying hormonal imbalances that can contribute to weight gain. This mechanism not only helps with weight and blood sugar control, leading to improvements in overall metabolic health, but may also explain other unexpected benefits that researchers are beginning to uncover, like the observed increase in testosterone levels in some men. Therefore, understanding precisely how GLP-1 agonists work and their multifaceted effects on the body is key to fully appreciating their potential therapeutic applications and benefits. With that in mind, let's now delve into why testosterone matters so much for men's health and explore the potential connection between GLP-1 agonists and this crucial hormone. Testosterone is often linked to masculinity, but its role is much broader. It's essential for muscle and bone strength, fat distribution, and overall vitality. Low testosterone can lead to increased body fat, fatigue, low mood, and even cognitive issues. It also affects sexual health, including libido and erectile function. Men with low testosterone often struggle with motivation, energy, and quality of life. Restoring healthy levels can improve mood, energy, and physical strength. That's why the discovery of a testosterone boost from GLP-1 drugs is so significant. It's not just about sex drive, it's about total well-being. For men with obesity or diabetes, this could be a crucial added benefit. Now let's see what the research actually found. Let's delve into some exciting research that's generating a lot of buzz in the medical community. This buzz comes from a study conducted at St. Louis University Hospital, a leading institution known for its groundbreaking work in metabolic health and endocrinology. The study involved a meticulous review of patient data. Researchers carefully reviewed records, sifting through a wealth of information to identify key trends and correlations. The focus was specifically on men diagnosed with either obesity or type 2 diabetes, all of whom had recently started treatment with GLP-1 receptor agonists. These medications are commonly prescribed to help manage blood sugar and promote weight loss. A crucial part of the research involved comparing testosterone levels. The researchers meticulously analyzed testosterone levels in these men, both before they initiated GLP-1 agonist therapy and at various points after starting the medication. This before and after comparison was essential to determine the impact of the drugs on hormone levels. So, what did they find? The results? The study revealed a significant and positive trend. Men saw a significant, measurable increase in their testosterone levels after starting GLP-1 agonists. This wasn't just a minor fluctuation, it was a clear and consistent upward shift. In many cases, the improvement was quite dramatic. Testosterone levels often moved from what was considered low or borderline deficient to within healthy, normal ranges. This is a substantial change that can have a significant impact on overall health and well-being. What's even more encouraging is that this hormonal improvement didn't occur in isolation. This improvement came alongside expected benefits that are typically associated with GLP-1 agonists. These benefits included noticeable weight loss, which is a primary goal for many patients on these medications, as well as better blood sugar control, a critical factor in managing diabetes. In essence, the study showed that treating underlying metabolic disease, such as obesity and diabetes, with GLP-1 drugs can have a broader impact than previously understood. It can also play a role in restoring hormonal balance, specifically by boosting testosterone levels in men. This is particularly relevant and potentially life-changing for men facing both obesity and low testosterone, a common combination that can lead to a variety of health problems. For these individuals, this dual-effect weight loss and increased testosterone is incredibly powerful, offering a comprehensive approach to improving their overall health. This research provides the first strong evidence directly linking the use of GLP-1 agonists to improve testosterone levels in real-world patients, not just in controlled laboratory settings. This makes the findings all the more significant and applicable to clinical practice. The findings suggest that the potential benefits of GLP-1 agonists may extend far beyond their established effects on blood sugar and weight. They may be broader than we initially thought, impacting hormonal health in a positive way. This raises an important question. But how does this hormonal boost actually happen? What's the underlying mechanism that connects GLP-1 agonists to increased testosterone production? That's what we'll explore next. The testosterone boost likely comes from the weight loss these drugs trigger. Excess body fat increases aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone to estrogen, lowering available testosterone. Losing fat reduces aromatase, allowing testosterone levels to rise. Improved insulin sensitivity also plays a role. Better metabolic health helps the body's hormone systems work properly. Chronic inflammation from obesity can suppress hormone production. Weight loss reduces this inflammation. GLP-1 agonists help break the cycle of low testosterone and weight gain. The result? A healthier internal environment for natural testosterone production. This isn't a direct drug effect. It's a cascade from improved metabolic health. That's why the testosterone boost is most pronounced in men with obesity or diabetes. The synergy between weight loss and hormone balance is what makes this discovery so promising. For millions of men, low testosterone means fatigue, low mood, and poor muscle mass. Traditionally, they'd need separate treatments for weight and hormones. GLP-1 agonists could address both, naturally restoring testosterone while improving weight and blood sugar. Higher testosterone can boost energy, motivation, and muscle building, creating a positive feedback loop. This could shift how doctors treat men's metabolic health, seeing these drugs as comprehensive therapies, not just for weight or diabetes. The potential for renewed energy, strength, and well-being is huge. It's a powerful example of how treating one problem can unlock benefits across the body. Experts are cautiously optimistic about these findings. They see the testosterone boost as a logical result of improved metabolic health, not a direct drug effect. The study reinforces the need to treat obesity as a root cause, not just its symptoms. Doctors may start screening more men with obesity for low testosterone and consider GLP-1 agonists as a first-line option. But these drugs aren't for healthy men seeking a testosterone boost. They're for those with real medical need. The consensus: this is a promising area for more research and a step toward holistic care. Improving weight can trigger a cascade of health benefits, including hormonal balance. While the results are exciting, more research is needed. The St. Louis study was retrospective. Now, randomized controlled trials are needed to confirm the effect. Future studies should explore which drugs work best, how long the effect lasts, and the exact biological mechanisms. It's important not to use these medications off-label just for testosterone. These are powerful drugs with real risks. The findings are a beacon for future science, not a green light for unmonitored use. Careful research will help us safely harness all the benefits these drugs may offer. The story of Ozempic and GLP-1 agonists keeps evolving. What started as diabetes treatment is now a tool for weight loss, and possibly hormonal health. The discovery of a testosterone boost highlights how interconnected our bodies are. For men with obesity or diabetes, these drugs could mean more than just weight loss. They could restore energy and vitality. This is a powerful reminder that treating one health issue can improve many others. It's an exciting new chapter in medicine.